Hey, what's going on? This is your man, the Fit God. Listen, as you can see, just finished with another powerful Fit technology workout. Listen, a lot of people watch my workouts online. They see clips or they see YouTube channel and they get intimidated. They get afraid because what they see is a lot of energy, a lot of movement. And the minute that you see something that looks hard, you automatically count yourself out. I want to tell you, you do not want to do that. You do not want to count yourself out. Listen, I know it looks intimidating. It looks crazy because we're moving around a lot and we're doing all these different moves and we're moving fast, right? But rather than letting that intimidate you, let that inspire you. To say, you know what, if I can start and strive to work to that level, how much more fit, how much more shape would I be in if I took that challenge and just gradually increase my skill, gradually increase my fitness level to be able to at one point one day get to that level. So when you see my classes at a high level, high pace, it's a milestone. It's not something for you to jump into right away. And I think a lot of people, when they see it, they're like, oh my gosh, I can't do that because I got to start right there with them on that level. No, you do not. What I encourage you to do is, if you're looking at this and you want to get in shape, and you're looking at this and saying, wow, those people are in serious shape, great shape. They're really not. They're in decent shape. They're learning to be in better shape. But what's important and what's the most important thing that they have in common is that they're not afraid to start. They're not afraid to jump in there and give themselves a chance and a shot. I'm calling on you to give yourself a shot. Give yourself a chance, okay? To tackle and to embrace the challenge. Embrace it. Yes, getting your body to change, getting your body in shape, losing weight is a heck of a feat. It's not easy. But are you going to let the reality of it not being easy to keep you from getting what you want? Or are you going to step up, challenge yourself, stand in the midst of your fear? Stand in the midst of it and say, I'm going to take it head on. I'm going to go for it head on. As you do that, you begin to realize and see, oh wow, it's not that bad. I did it. I can do it. Let me keep going. Okay, but don't allow what you see of my workout frighten you. Because what happens is now you begin to play towards your weakness. You begin to believe in that doubt that seeps into your mind as soon as you see a challenge. Oh, that looks hard, I can't do it. Then therefore, that's going to be your approach to everything, because the thing that you need to do to get over that hump is going to be hard. It's going to be hard. And so if that's your approach to everything, then guess what? Prepare to never change. Prepare to be where you are year after year after year. And let me tell you, the longer that you wait, the longer that you play around with your health, the longer that you run from challenges, the worse your condition is going to get. And I'm telling you, time is not waiting. You don't want to be on the other side of sickness, or no side of it. You don't want to be on that side where you have a stroke, heart attack, or diabetes. You don't want to be there at 50, 60 years old. You don't want to be there. Trust me. So don't let the challenge of getting in shape, getting healthier, frighten you. I can help you. Don't let me intimidate you, okay? I start where you stand. Wherever you are, that's where I start with you. And if you want to go to the point where you're doing my workout, the Fit technology workout, then that's okay, because you can strive to be there. But maybe your workout is just a walk every single week, or do a bike exercise, whatever it may be. I can guide you into that area, okay? So I want to encourage you all to start where you stand. Don't let what I do or what you see frighten you. This workout, by far, hands down, is the most inclusive workout for your total body that exists. I'm going to say it like that right now. This workout is the most inclusive workout, the most full body workout that you'll get today. It covers every component of fitness without any equipment, without any machine. Do you know where the machines are? You're looking at it. You are the machine. You are the apparatus. We don't need any bikes, any balls. We can use those things, but we don't need them. We don't need the TRX bands that you see behind me. We don't need the medicine balls. We don't need the spin bikes. We don't need the trampoline. We don't need none of that stuff. All we need is this. This is the machine that we need to get yourself in good shape, to lose the weight. That's it. That's all you need. That's all you need. So I'm your man, the Fit God. Come on. Let me help you this year. Get yourself together. So you never have to again, year after year, keep repeating yourself. I need to get in shape. I need to get in shape. Let's end that madness. Let's put a pin in it. Let's get it done. All right? I'll see you when we have a conversation. Let's talk about it.